What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Richard Brown Films. Like and subscribe and share the video up. Jesus Christ, look at them other one, yeah.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
Oh, no, come, man, come. Me really tired of this. God no, me brother and sister. It wanna come, no man. This no man, me not foolishness. No come no sir. A little money, a little $50 when me a save. It's gonna take them with it. No, Michelle, stop now, man. Stop now. Yo, Wallace. You Wally, Britney, Wallace. Listen to me I say. Michelle, listen to me I say. We don't discuss this with you already, you know. I say if you want to take on the medication, you can't stay here. You take on the medication, you make on the doctor visit.
Me I take my medication. Me take them. See there. Me take my medication.
Me know say you not take your medication.
Me
You
take
dash
my
them away.
medication. Look me.
Me know say when you take them, you go pick them out and dash them away. But listen me I say, not every injection you not take. Me say have the same sickness one have, you know. And me ensure so me take my medication and me take my injection. And me and my woman done discuss already. And he said, no can't turn us. So no have to go on. Come man. On got to go. Come man. Come. Britney, come man. No go on, man. Go on. Britney, you see your mother call you. Your mother have something for you. Come, Britney. Come. No have to go. Come. Come now. Come man. What a daughter. Father.
How much time I have to tell you, son? You don't call me father here. Alright? This is a business place.
Alright.
You know what you're supposed to call me, right?
Yes, doctor. Yeah.
Thank you very much. I can call you son, but you don't call me that. Alright?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what's happening?
I just came to check up on you if everything was good.
Oh, no man, everything alright, man. Just a balance all them stuff here and thing and so forth.
Okay.
Except you know good thing. So you've been coming on. You've been alright, man?
Yeah, man, everything's been good. The patients have been going a little while, but
Why?
yeah,
But you know you have to keep them under control though.
yeah, because we know that they're mentally unstable, but I've been doing okay.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, man. Well, what I observe, you know, it look like you're really ready for the field now. And I mean, pretty soon Dr. Lipkiss is gonna come, so I'm gonna introduce you to him, and I'm gonna let him go and bring you out in the field, you know, because trust me, it seems like you're ready, you know.
Okay.
But that's all.
That sounds good.
Okay.
But isn't Dr. Lipkiss the head doctor at Ward 5?
Yes, man. Sure.
Okay.
Hello, Dr.
Dr.
Wade.
Lipkiss, man. How you doing,
How
man?
you doing?
Yeah, man. Splendid, man. Splendid.
Who is this young man?
This is my
Yes.
son, you know.
What you saying?
Yes, man. This is my
But this
son.
young man, this young man has gotten very big, man.
Yeah, man. This year is Damian Wayne.
The same one which was studying the other day.
Yes, man. It's
He's
the same one.
graduated university now.
Yes, man.
Congratulations, man. Welcome to the field.
Why?
See you following in your father's footsteps, man. Lovely.
Right, man. You know,
Lovely.
the fortunate thing is that to see you right here, you know, because guess what happened? You want to be just like me, and I want him to be just like you.
Well,
You understand me?
thank you for the compliment, man.
Yes, man. Anyway,
What seems to be on the agenda for today?
all right. You know, we have a lot, but I just want to tell you something about him, what I want you to do for me.
No problem.
All right. You know, him go school and everything, and you know, the little theory and so forth, but you know, the little practical part of it? You're the perfect person. I want to bring him around and show him around and show him the ropes, you know?
Oh, no problem, man. No
You
problem.
know this thing though. I mean, when you go to school and you're just in the books, that is nothing compared to when you really go out in the field.
Yes.
And you're a man of the field, so you know, I want you to bring him and show him the ropes and everything, you know?
That will never be a problem, sir.
Yeah, man, and ensure that everything all right, you know? So,
I'll be happy to have him alongside me.
yeah, man, not a problem, man. So, you okay, sir? Are you prepared and everything? All right, not a problem. So, sir, I'm leaving it in your hands, you know?
Yeah, man, no
I
problem.
know he's in good hands, all right?
Capable hands. Very much capable hands.
All right, not a
Definitely
problem.
teach him
Yes,
the
man.
best of my knowledge.
All right. So, he's gonna put you on his wings. All right.
Let's hear what you do for me. Bring this to the office, and we'll organize and get the stuff ready from there, sir. So, Dr. Wing, you say he's ready?
Yeah, man, he's ready, man. Ready. Have him wings, him ready. Just bring him out for me and just, you know, do what you have to do.
Yeah, man, I'll definitely guide him as best as possible. I'll teach him all that you have taught me. And hopefully, and by God's grace, I'm pretty sure he will become out a very wonderful, excellent.
Right. That's what I want to hear. You know, all is full of confidence.
Yeah, man, for
That's
sure.
what I like about you.
All right, then, sir. So,
Yeah, man.
we'll see you later on.
All right. Have a blessed day, sir.
Thank you.
You hungry? You'll get something to eat, but you have to wait. We are going foreign next year.
Nothing got tomorrow.
No, next year when we go foreign, you'll get something to eat. Me buy something for you at Walmart. Yes. Me good already, you know.
Are we already?
From last week, you remember? From last week, me go. You forgot that you come to me at airport.
Oh, train.
Eh.
I'm hungry.
You hungry? Me hungry too.
I'm not crunch.
That scratch you? Make it scratch you. If you make skin and scratch me too. But, you know, say, me pass one woman down there so. And she have some sitting on her stall.
I got teeth.
We can't eat she. Cause we hungry.
Come on, mommy.
We sitting with them where we did have yesterday.
Well, we go down there, turn and us, then we have got teeth, nothing, go beat we.
You know, say, me pass one bin out there so with whole heap of food in there. We could have take out it.
Mommy.
And eat it cause we don't have nothing to eat right now.
Come on.
Wait there now. Wait, me have sit down and you must learn to steam in the sun, you know.
What, steam?
This is Cayman Island. I want to go to Jamaica soon. Yes. Me and you go to Jamaica next week.
So
Every
hungry,
week we
so
have a
no?
travel. Every week we have travel go to one different country.
Yes.
We have money. Yeah, but me hungry.
I'm going there if you look.
No.
I want my sister.
You man know the same father.
Mommy,
No, you man know the same father.
Mommy, sis.
All right, wait. Remember saying young, you can't sit down up so early, you know. Wait.
Come, baby. You black like me.
Mm-hmm. But your jacket and a different man give me that one, yeah. And your sister.
Just ready to get to some work now, you know.
Ready to get to somewhere?
Yes, sir.
Well, you're in luck. See, there is actually two of our patients, you know. Remember the patient's name. However, we have them by number. That is 006 and the 008. You see, patient 006, which is the mother,
Yeah.
very delusional.
Who's
She believes that she's still living in America.
Really?
She actually believes that she travels every single week, which is absurd.
has she ever traveled?
I would doubt it like a million times over. But Who are we to judge?
So what about the daughter?
Madness runs in the family. You know. I believe it's genetically connected
Mm,
because anything the mother says, the daughter does.
Really?
And anything the mother does, the daughter does also. So it's just one big happy hullabaloo.
so
My goodness.
she looks nice, you know.
What you mean by she looks nice?
So it's just that me surprised that nobody not take her up or like
Hey, hold on here.
help her.
Dr. Wayne,
Yes, sir.
I would like you to help your professionalism to chip in right about this moment.
No, sir. It's just that
We are professionals. We are not here to
no,
to
it,
be
no. Let her
examining the
let
patients
me
like that.
speak, frank, sir. It's just that she looks nice, you know. She doesn't really look too mad, you know.
We did actually try it on many occasions, many failed attempts in actually trying to get her back to sane or a level of
Maybe
understanding, but
maybe
it
she
didn't
hasn't
work.
found the right person in her life.
What do you mean, Dr. Wayne?
No,
Yeah,
doctor.
I'm not understanding fully what you're trying to say, you know. You know what, Wayne? Your father gave me strict instructions to ensure that I guide you along the correct road. And you see this first case here, I want us to go through it and I should have show you the ropes. So please, may I ask you, just let us do our job
All
and
right.
get this over.
All right.
All right?
All right, doctor.
No more of them strange questions here. Good?
All right, sir.
Let's go sort them out.
All right.
They're still there? Yes. Good. As I said, you go. So here what? I want you to apprehend the mother.
The mother. You sure you don't want me to? Because the mother is a little bit big, you know. So I think I should take care of the daughter.
Girl, listen.
Hello.
Hey, calm down.
What's your name?
Calm down, man.
Calm
We're not
down,
going to
man.
hurt you. No,
We're not going to hurt you
Look here
guys.
now, this is routine. We do this all the time.
Don't worry.
Calm
Don't
down,
worry.
ladies. Look here now. We're not here to hurt you. We're just here to give you monthly injections
Doctor.
and just free you up and set you on our way.
Doctor,
It's okay.
the needle.
Look. See? I'm not.
I'll go get it.
It's okay. Look here. 008 and the 006. Calm down, man. Alright. So, right here.
I need to find
Right here. Come. No. I don't understand why the daughter is screaming out in her heart. Let me give you the next one. Here's the next one.
Okay.
Come on this side. Come around this side. Calm down for me, please. Please to calm down. It might hurt you if you run up and down.
I need to find
Calm
the vein.
down. Right there. All right. See there, it's all over. Cover the needle. Okay. 006 and 008. No need to fight. Down, ladies. Calm down. Look. It is routine and mandatory that you guys will get your monthly fix. But I want to make it much easier, make our job much easier. Why don't you guys come down to the clinic?
And get some
I
food.
know you guys are understanding what I'm saying, you know. Nothing will happen to you guys. Just come to the clinic and we will properly and better take care of you guys. Trust me.
You think we should
We
carry the
have your
daughter with us?
best. Dr. Wayne, please focus. We have your best interest at heart. However, we cannot do our jobs effectively if we have to come looking for you guys. If we not take on the time out and come down to the hospital every month, and it will work out much easier for both of us. We can provide you with clean clothing and food.
And a place to stay.
Dr. Wayne, please focus. We can give you guys.
I think they were planning to run, you know.
We have done our job. If them decide to run, that's up to them.
Okay.
But as I said, please.
You
do
sure so
come
we
to
can
the-
help the daughter?
You know, Dr. Wayne are going to have a talk. You guys are free to do. We need to have a talk, a serious talk. Sir, how is it you propose we help the daughter more than what we're doing
We
right
could help her, man, doctor. It's just that she doesn't look too mad. Sure so we can help her?
What you mean by she doesn't look too mad? You know what? Dr. Wayne, here's much for you to learn. Come on.
Why? I no money. But me I go try see if me can get something for your feet
Bueno.
right now.
From yesterday, me no eat nothing.
And the last time, me go foreign and came back sitting for you for eat. You eat after whole life and you no give me none. But me tell the same time me go back a foreign, never get something you for eat. Anyway, come back, me I go down the road.
Alright, ma.
Alright.
Hello. Calm down. You remember me?
No.
Well, I'm the nurse that gave you the injection. No, I'm not going to give you any injection today. My name is Damien. What's your name?
Britney. Britney.
Don't be afraid. What's your name?
Britney.
Nice to meet you, Brittany. So where's your mother?
I don't know.
You don't know which part of your mother there?
I lost her from last night.
Oh. Cause you look like you want something to eat. You want something to eat?
Hungry.
All right, just stay right here so I'll get you something to eat.
All of this are mine?
Yes.
Thanks.
Nobody ever tell us you're beautiful. So, where do you and your mother live?
Live everywhere.
You live everywhere. How about I take you home with me and clean you up?
Yeah.
That sounds good?
Mhm.
All right. As soon as you finish eat,
Mhm.
I'll take you home with me. All right. No, I don't want to. All right.
So,
You ready?
mhm.
All right, let's go.
Come for your back?
No.
My sister. My sister. Where your sister? Where your sister there? Where your sister?
It's some water. All right, so this is some clothes you can change into. How you feeling? You feeling okay? I'm going to go to one of my doctor friends and get you some medical assistance. How that sound? It sound okay? You can go and just relax. Drink some water. You're hungry?
Hmm?
You hungry? Alright, let me get some stuff for you to eat, okay? I'll be right back. Doctor? Dr. Jordan? Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Um, I wanted to talk to you about something. I would want your assistance.
Yeah?
I have a patient that needs some help.
Yeah? What can I help?
From the information that I've gathered, she's mentally unstable. So right now I have her over my house.
That's strange. She's mentally unstable and you have her in your house?
Well, I know it's very unethical for persons like us to have mentally unstable people around us, but she really needs some help.
So, I wouldn't realize such a mentally.
Well, the other day I was on the road with one of my colleagues, and her and her mother are mentally unstable, so we gave them some injections, the regular routine, and I was just so infatuated by her. I,
You
she,
sure?
she's from where she looks really beautiful, and I really want to help her.
So you meet her other day, you realize that she mentally stable,
Yes, so
unstable.
today I saw her again on the road, and her mother wasn't there, so I took her up and I brought her to my house.
May I go still in them? So I can ever bring her down to your father.
Well, doctor, you know my father, and I don't think he would agree with what I'm doing, but I really want to help her. So you're the next best thing you're the next best person I could talk to. You're one of the best doctors in the area other than my father. So that is why I would want you.
Alright. Tell you what. I'm gonna go down to the office, but bring her come see me down at the office. Um I kinda they run late too, you know. But just bring her come down at the office by 1:30.
Okay. And if I can get her medical files, I'll carry it to you too.
Yeah man, but quick question bro. Because this is very, very, very strange.
Yes, doctor.
You're not involved with her.
No, doctor, I'm not involved with her. I just really want to help her. I've never met anyone like her before. All I really want to do is help her.
Alright, because you know, listen, me a man enough, and not because I'm a doctor.
Yes, doctor.
You know how nature and man go. So even though you're mentally unstable, your body might not unstable and you might not catch your eye.
No, doctor. I just really want to help her.
Alright.
But thank you again.
Yeah man, take care of yourself. As I say, bring her down at the
Yeah.
office. May I put on the shoes?
I'll bring her tomorrow.
Alright, no problem. Just
Yeah.
call me.
Yeah, and it was good to see you again.
Yeah man, same place.
Dr. Wayne, may I have a word, please?
Is everything okay, doctor?
What do you mean by if everything is alright? What are you doing out here with this you mad person?
She's not mad. She was mentally unstable, but she's taking her meds now, doctor.
Look here, no man. You cannot be seen. This is beneath us. We are doctors.
What do you mean beneath us? She's a human being. She's a nice young female.
Listen to me. You see, when I signed up with your father, I made him a promise and I told him, say, I would guide you and take care of you. This was not a part of the deal. Who you think the man are gonna feel him see you attack to a mad woman on the street?
Do not call her mad.
What you mean
I
don't
love
call her?
I love her. She's one of the best females I have ever met in my entire life.
You must be Lulu or something.
Doctor, I'm not going to stand here and make a disrespect the woman I love. One day I see myself that I will marry her. So doctor, I'm not going to disrespect her now. But I'm going to leave you and go with my girlfriend.
It's a mad woman.
Doctor, bye.
Dr. Wayne. Dr. Wayne.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.
Dr. Wayne.
We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass.
Dr. Wayne. Dr. Wayne.
How you doing, man? Always a
I
pleasure.
am good. I notice you know, say always at always at work, you know?
Boy, I tell you, man, they say that work never done.
That's
Never.
In our field, it's always a case.
I tell you. So what's been going on with my son now?
Dr. Wayne, you see, your son is doing very well in the field.
Yeah,
I must say, he's a chip off the old block, if I must say so myself.
as
You
expected.
know, he does things to protocol, and you know, he has a keen eye
As expected.
out there in the field for sites of danger. However, Mr. Wayne, I don't really understand what is going on, you know. But he has taken a keen interest to one of the patients, patient number 008 and 006. This is a couple of patients that we had here at one point in time. However, they have moved on, and the daughter of 006, he has found some form of interest which is beyond me. It has me baffled.
What type of interest? Come on, get what you need
He
interest?
seems to have fallen madly in love.
My son?
Dr. Wayne, if I never saw it myself, I would have actually not believed what is coming out, the words that are coming out my mouth.
Are you serious? My son?
Sir, the first time or the first encounter with this peer, he shared interest and was asking me some questions, but I blew it under the mat because I was like, probably, it's his first day, and I was like, all right. But then the other day, Dr. Wayne, in a very compromising position,
You see with your own eyes?
I saw it with my own 4 eyes, sir.
My son and I spend millions of dollars sent to med school. You're telling me now that my son is involved with somebody of an unsound mind? Are you crazy, sir?
See, the level of heights of disrespect that come with that statement, you asking me if I am crazy.
You must be. Because I can't understand how my son is involved with somebody of an unsound mind.
I myself.
That sounds ludicrous.
Sir, I wasn't going to say anything because I was hoping this would have been a phase. However, they saw that I saw him and I spoke to him. He was keen to let me know that he is madly, seriously, and crazily in love with this female, and he intends to see her and even marry her. Now, when him tell me say I need to back off and leave him alone, let him do his thing, I had nothing but to oblige. So I did just that. I left him alone, and if you never did bring it up, I wouldn't have said anything. Because as I said, it was none of my business. And it was well aware to let me know that. And none of my business.
No. I have to get to the bottom of this because everything you tell me now is so unbelievable. I have to get to the bottom of it.
Well,
No. I apologize the way I approach you, but I mean, I have to get to the bottom of this. This just don't. My son,
I think you need to talk to him.
I'm going to have to have a serious talk with him.
Very serious talk, because he could be throwing his career away. This does not look good on his reputation, you know. And your reputation, if I might say.
My son.
Yes, sir. I think you need to talk to him.
I have to go this. I have to go deal with this. All right?
I have some labs to run.
Yes. This is crazy, man.
We're gonna have to talk and see if we can see how this goes. But let me get to some work now. All right.
All right.
So maybe at lunchtime we can catch up and talk some more about this.
All right, sir.
If you do see him before me, I think you really need to sit him down and have a serious talk.
I'm gonna have a really serious talk with him about this.
All right, Dr. Will, later.
All right, sir.
Father?
Damien, is this true I'm hearing? What Natalie, please tell me, son? Tell me it's not true. Tell me it's not true.
What?
Damien, are you seeing a mad patient? Is it true?
Father, I'm not seeing a mad patient. Alright, I'll explain from the beginning.
Yes, man. Start from the beginning.
Me and Dr. Lipkiss was out on the field doing the regular routine, and we came into contact with two mentally unstable persons. We gave them their injections, and the other day I saw one of them, and I took her to my house and helped her. I got a doctor colleague to give her some medication, and right now she's doing much better. She's no longer mentally ill. I'm not in a relationship with a mad woman.
Hold on. Look at me. Are you serious? Look at me. You mean to tell me that I spend millions of dollars on you, send her to med school, and this is how you repay me? You take a patient out of an institution, bring her to her home, and then...
Father,
listen to me.
Father, she was not a patient. She wasn't in the hospital. And she's no longer mentally unstable. She's taking her medications, and right now she's staying at my house. I'm just helping her.
Listen, you're helping her or you're helping your damn self? Eh? Tell me, what are you doing?
Daddy, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm in love with her.
In love with what? You gone bonkers, son? In love with a mad woman? Are you crazy? I know I can't believe this. If somebody tell me something like this would happen, there's no way on God's earth I would have believed something like that. You? Eh? You're crazy?
You can't just understand. May I be honest with you? I do love her. It's not like I'm forcing her to be with me.
Damien,
When I gave her the medication, she was still staying at my place.
Damien, listen to me. You know how much disgrace you bring on this family, son? Eh? Look at your cousins. Look at everybody, neurosurgeon. Huh? When I hear that my son pick up somebody that is mentally unstable, it don't look good.
That is why I didn't want to tell you yet.
Listen, how does this look? Imagine you and I get married and have kids. What is going to happen? Eh? What is going to happen? With all those genes, what do you think may happen? You're going to produce mad kids.
You can't just understand.
Understand what?
My entire life, I've always tried to do my best and live up to your expectations.
Listen, this is not working out. It seems like you have your head set one certain way. And listen, I can tell you this, this madness have to end right now. It has to end right now because you don't have anything getting from me, I prefer will everything that I have to push on dog before you better change. Anyway, let me just end this conversation because you're totally madness, totally madness.
Mommy.
Move.
Mommy Britney.
Move.
What you mean by move?
Move from here, so.
Come on, mommy.
Move.
Look here, just calm down on me, Britney. Look here, mommy. Look here. No, on me. Look on me good now. Are your daughter? Are your daughter? Yeah, your daughter. No, are your daughter? Look here, mommy. Look here, man. Calm down. Calm down.
Move.
You know how long
Where
me
name?
look for you?
Where name?
Britney. Are your daughter, mommy? Calm down, man. You know how
daughter
long me
name
look for you? And the people them out the road say, I run and see you there, hang out. That's why you see me come around here and look for you. And I finally find you. Mommy, me get help, and I want you get help too. Yeah, me, mommy. And me, your daughter, Britney. Look now. Just look for me. Get up, please. Come on, get up. Come on, mommy, get up. Come on. Mommy, just come here, not come here.
My daughter.
Britney.
Wait, which part did they?
No, let's come on, mommy. Come on.
You know how long me I look for you,
Me there look for you too, mommy. Come on
Me
now.
carry food for you. Yes.
No, me have food for you.
Me carry food for
Come
you.
on, mommy. Come on.
We are going to go foreign.
Come on.
Yes.
Yeah, we are
Remember,
going
say we are going foreign.
Yeah, we are going foreign, mommy.
Foreign we are going. We are going foreign.
Come on.
Lisa?
Yes, how are you?
Whoa!
Nice to see you.
Man, you've grown. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
How's your dad?
He's doing alright, you know.
He's still in the architecture stuff and things?
Yes, he is.
Oh, nice to hear. So you taking his footsteps or what you doing?
Well, I decided a different path for myself. You know, I'm more into the whole science-related field, so I'm studying to become a nurse.
Okay, that's excellent. Yeah, man. So I see you're coming out. You just took some pictures, eh?
Yeah, I just took some pictures for business purposes.
Okay, and that's where I was heading and stuff, you know?
Really?
Yeah.
It's a pure coincidence.
Well, I tell you, you have grown, trust me. So I said before, so that is okay, everything?
Yeah, man, that is doing just fine.
Okay, so where you guys living?
Oh, we're living down by Negril, you know. You remember the house that they were working on at the time?
Right.
Yeah, man, that's the one that we live
Okay,
in
so
now.
it's finished and stuff?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, you can come by, you know.
Wow, that's great. I mean, it's nice when I actually say old friends, but I mean, I didn't know his daughter grown so in a beautiful little flower, That's nice. Anyway, so,
Okay.
yeah, so, are you single? No, wait. Whoa, I'm sorry. It has nothing to do with me. You remember my son?
Yes,
haven't seen him in ages.
Right, that is what I was going at.
From primary school.
All right, that is what I was going at. I'm sorry if I really said it a certain way, but I know you guys were a little bit close when you were young.
Yes,
so,
we used to play a lot.
right, and you haven't seen him in a while, so that's the reason why I was asking, if you're single and stuff.
Oh,
Right,
okay.
right.
Okay, now it's making sense to me,
Yes,
because
yes.
before I'm like,
Yeah, I'm
you
sorry.
knew me from I was
No.
so,
Yeah, not that time.
okay. Well, that's more comforting now.
Okay, actually, he's finished med school and he's working.
Really? That's so lovely to hear.
I'm telling you, it's all in the family,
I haven't seen him in ages.
And I would love you to see him right now, trust me.
So how's everything going though?
Everything is all right, but we're talking about Damien. I would really love you to see Damien.
Okay, emphasis on the Damien.
And I'm going to give you Damien's number. Wait, you're single?
Yes.
Yes. All right, so I'm going to give you my number and I'm going to give you his number, all right?
Okay.
And make sure, give me the phone because I want to put it in myself. All right? Man, it's such a pleasure seeing you.
Yeah, it really is. It really is.
That's my number.
Okay. When I
And
call
that's
him, I'm sure.
Damien's number.
When I call him, I'm sure he's going to be so surprised to hear from me.
Just call him and say, listen, who you are, you'd be so surprised, trust me.
Yeah.
And I know you'll be glad to see you because, you guys grow up and stuff and, you
used to play a lot of hide and seek when you and Daddy used to talk business.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
And stuff. So anyway,
it was nice seeing you.
yeah, my number is in there, so you don't know.
All right, that's
All
very
right.
good business, See you in right hands.
Yeah, man. All right.
All right.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Yeah, man. Take care. Everything okay? Everything is not okay, sir. Alright? Anyway, I don't want to really talk about whatever I'm talking about with that mad that person you call girlfriend or whatever. Anyway, you remember Lisa? Childhood friend Lisa? You used to live next door, man. We used to niggle around West End side here.
Yeah, I remember Lisa, but I haven't seen her for a very long time.
Well, I see Lisa, and trust me, Lisa, if you say Lisa right now, trust me, I get her number, and I tell her to just come and give me a call, and I will again call her and try to make you guys hook up, man. Trust me, listen to me. I needed to see her. Okay?
Father, my mistake happened. I haven't seen Lisa for a very long time. To be honest, at one point in time, I did like Lisa, but it didn't work out, and I left that alone.
Alright.
So I'm going to be honest with you. I don't want you to set me up with anybody. I already told you, I love Britney.
Alright.
If you meet her, you understand why I love her.
Alright. Listen to me. Just meet the girl. Alright? Listen to me. Just meet her and then you can decide what after.
You sure so Lisa even agree with what you're saying?
She's single and there's no problem with meeting her. Anything can happen. You know how this thing go? Listen to me, man. I want you to meet up with this girl. You understand me? Listen. If you can go and fall in love with a mad man, anything can happen. You understand?
Father, I already told you, she's not mad. All you need to do is meet her. No? All you need to do is meet her.
Just hear me out and hear me say, and you're gonna do it. You're gonna meet with Lisa, alright? And that is final, okay? Okay, sir?
Alright.
Alright? Everything I tell you and do so far, you do. And right now you come in and disobey. It's something I want you to do, alright? Just go ahead and meet the girl, man, and we take it from there, man. Anything can happen, man, alright?
Alright, sir.
Yeah, at least you owe me that. At least you owe me that.
So, Lisa, how have you been?
I've been good, Everything has been going so well lately that I can't even complain.
That's good. I'm glad to get to see you still.
Yes, I was really looking forward to it when I ran into your dad the other day. I was so surprised because I haven't seen him in such a long time, especially you. How's everything been with you?
Well, I don't know if he told you, but I'm actually working at a mental institute.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Where's that?
In South, downtown.
Oh, that's lovely. All
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, but right now I'm a nurse, but I'm working towards becoming a doctor.
Ooh, I love that for you. Well, for me, currently in nursing school, I haven't gone too far just yet, but I think I'm looking forward to the
And
career
you went
path.
to school before me?
Well, things happen, things happen and, decisions change and so, but I feel like I'm finding my path
Yeah,
now.
you could never get your head on straight.
For me, always trying to figure out what it is that I really want. So
Yeah,
finally decided now.
that's good.
Yeah.
So, to be honest, I'm glad to get to see you. And
Same. I remember all those days when we used to play hide and seek.
you always find me somehow. I feel like
Right?
I still I wonder if any of our checking device probably.
Well, let's just put it this way. I probably didn't, but you were a bit predictable back then. You were a bit predictable. So I could always find you easily. It wasn't a task for me.
Yeah, but I'm going to be straight up with you.
Okay.
I know my father obviously gave you my number so we could talk, but I'm actually in a relationship.
Okay. I wasn't aware of that because he didn't mention anything about that when I saw him.
Yeah, but he doesn't really think the person that I'm with is a suited person for me.
Okay, so I'm very confused. So I don't understand how I got caught in this if he understands that you're with somebody at the moment. Because he asked me if I was single and then told me that things, would be a possibility based on the fact that he mentioned that
Yeah.
you're single too. So that's why I reached out.
Well, I'm sorry that I wasted your time. I'm sorry. Well, it's not a really waste of time because it is good to see our old friend. But I'm actually really in love with the person I'm with right now, and I want to just apologize.
I understand.
I still want to keep in contact with you because we know each other for a very long time, but I'm really in love.
Well,
I hope one day you can find someone for yourself, but I'm sorry again because of my father, because he doesn't really think the person is a good person, and yeah, I just had to come here and do what he said.
I understand. It's just a lot of miscommunications.
Yeah,
I mean, I do feel like I was misled, but
yeah,
it's okay. I
yeah.
get it.
But we still can have fun, still can be friends if
Yes,
you're up to that.
I'm cool with that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Damien. Damien. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, man.
Father, is everything all right?
No, it's definitely not okay. Listen me. I line you up on that fine looking young lady. Eh? And you mess it up. Lisa called me and said it was an embarrassment. Why did I even send her there?
Father, I told you already said I'm already in a relationship. And I was honest with her. What kind of person would I be if I lead her on?
No man, this thing going way too far. Look. I mean, look at Lisa. Look how she look. Look here. Whoever that person you have, in mind, you want to make sure say she 10 times better looking and everything there because I can't believe it. Somebody looking like Lisa and this one you have now, it must be totally knocked out or whatever. I understand. Eh? I have to see her for myself. I have to see her and talk to her. I have to do my own diagnosis. Because trust me, my youth. Trust me. Why I don't know if it's it. I don't know if it's it.
All you need to do is meet her. If you meet her, you'll understand why I love her.
When this all started? Why are we going through this madness?
Alright. Daddy, if you want to meet her, I'll let you meet her. And I'll make a deal with you. If you think say she's still mentally ill, I will quit the relationship.
Seriously?
Yes.
That sounds like a good deal. You understand? But guess what happened now? Why I think I have to get my head examined now because I can't believe that I'll be going through all of this. Seriously, son.
I'm not trying to make you feel any way or try to hurt you.
No, but it already out in the open. My son with a mad woman. No, sir. What do I do to deserve this though? Eh? What do I do to deserve this? I tell you what. I'm going to take up your offer. I remember what you said. Not me. You said that. Alright?
Yes.
The deal, sir?
Yes.
Make sure I say, if when me see her, any little inch of madness me see, you and her cannot. And it will not happen. Okay?
Alright.
Can we shake on that, sir? I have your word, sir?
Yes.
Make sure. Alright. Make sure.
Okay.
Gosh, man, you can go back here.
You know, say you look beautiful.
Thank you.
From the first time I saw you, I knew I loved you. I look so much better.
Well, I just want to thank you for everything you do for me. I really appreciate it. I'm not going to tell no lie. I just want to say I appreciate everything you do for me. And for my mother also. Because if I never you, I don't know what I do on the road right now. Understand?
Yeah,
And
you don't have to worry about that.
to be honest, you see the kindness you show me, I can't tell you that God have a plan for you. He has something in store for you.
Well, even if he doesn't have something in store for me, I still love you. And nothing will ever change that.
Okay.
As you ain't no matter what anyone says, I will love you. I ain't have to worry about that.
More if you know is that I love you also. I will always do.
This might come to you as a surprise, but my father wants to meet you.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, no problem.
Have a seat. You sure you want to do this?
I'm sure.
You sure? Okay. How are you doing?
So
What's your name?
father.
Listen, I'm going to ask her a question. Alright?
Alright.
What's your name?
My name is Britney Richards,
Whitney Richards, where you from?
Main Street Sub.
Main Street in Sam?
Yes.
Are we school you attending?
Godfrey.
Godfrey, how old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
20? Oh, okay. Alright, you see. Alright, so what happened now? Don't feel any way I'm asking you this. Alright? Well, actually I heard you're on medication. Is that true?
Was on medication, but the doctor said I'm off it now because I'm okay.
Alright, you sure on that?
Sure.
Oh, okay. You know, you have to ask because, this family have a line of, neurosurgeons, doctors, and it's not anybody I want with my son here. But I also want to make my own diagnosis on. You understand?
Understand.
Alright, and stuff. Anyway, let me see now. So you love him?
Yes, I love your son.
Yeah.
Well, actually, him tell me him love you how much and whatever and stuff. So, actually, and stuff. I'm going to ask you to do something for me. which it might sound a way, look a way, but it's just my own, my own headspace and stuff. I'm just gonna ask you to just go right there so for me and just come back in there. Yeah, man.
Yeah, walk on, walk on.
Yes, man. Yes.
Okay, no problem.
She passing so far?
Listen to me. When I'm finished, I'm finished. All right, good. You know why I did that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, it's not a bad look so far.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, actually, when I tested you, I asked you the questions, you didn't stutter, you went fluently and stuff. The hand gesture is something that we know. If somebody's schizophrenic, they walk with their hand straight, no limb movement and stuff, and it look positive and stuff. So why are you looking at me like that, son?
Well, I
It's all
just want to hear a blessing.
well, I mean, she's not she's not bad looking, look nice and stuff, but it's not all negative. I'm gonna come off your case, but I'm still watching. I can't just let it like that.
Okay,
You understand me?
I understand.
How long have you been off the medication now?
A month now.
A month now?
Yes.
And no, well, actually, you have no mistake. But to be honest with you, I'm gonna give you a space. And son, you have won the bet. Well, for now. But I still have to have the eyes open. Alright?
Okay.
So handshake on that, sir.
This is what I'm looking at.
Okay?
Thank you again, your father.
Yeah, man. I apologize for,
Okay.
but there's stuff I have to do. You'll understand. Alright. Well, you guys have my blessing for now. Alright? But I'm still watching.
One day will be 100%.
Son, I'll see you. Alright?
And don't send any more old friends. Good to see you again.
Alright, goodbye.
You kids enjoy yourselves. Alright?
Yeah. I'll call you, yeah?
Make sure you do.
We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
For watching. But definitely have to say thank you for watching because there's a lot of work we've been putting out and I see that you guys have been appreciating what we've been doing so far, and it gives me a sense of joy if you know so I can put out some work. Love what we are do. But before we go further with a lot of things, more have to say big up to Dr. Jack and more have to telling us say, yo, information up on the screen. So if you're interested in getting him product, we can reach out to him. We have the bedroom tariff for the man them. We reach out and him can tell us, with that boat. So for the man them I want like a boots up, him have the right thing for you. So say we can link him and him can tell you all about that. Alright, so let's get down to business and talk about a few things. We definitely I try to get some last piece of things this end of this month to go over to next month because we want to, at least next month we want to start shoot some stuff that we can try to submit to whether it's film festival or to some other platforms to see exactly what can become of the hard work that we've been putting in. But we need all the help that we can get. Not just for get more equipment or for help to get more things, but just for help to amp up the production because part of what we need props. That is one of the essential things. We need some police clothes. We need some nurse uniform. We need some fireman things. We need prop guns. We need things that are gonna make the production look better. But we can't do it by ourselves because all of those things cost money. So please feel free to reach out to me on Instagram and we can talk and we can help. And whether it be a case where you help and you get back returns, well, if that are the case, well, we can do that too. You know what I say? So, we thank you very much, and you don't know the thing I get better and better as the day goes by in terms of everything that we do, sound quality, picture quality, everything I get better, and we love that. You know what I say? Because growth is a part of what we believe in. You know what I say? Alright, so before me go do, I have one little subscriber where mother say watch all I movie them. You know, him live a town, him name Azari. Me go put up him picture up on the screen so when we see it. Him watch the movie them, him love Wagwan. You know what I say? So if you guys are subscribers on out there and love what we are doing, want to give you a big up at the end of the video, shout me up, man. Me drop it in the video, put up on a picture and say, big up that one and that one. Yeah. You know what I say? Because we know, see we out in the street and give you a whole heap of love and we appreciate it. You know what I say? Big up on yourself, continue to watch, continue to share up the video, them continue to tell a friend, you know what I say? Because that will help the thing to go further. So big up on yourself and keep on watching.
Met in my entire life.
You must be Lulu or something.
Alright, so let's close here. Javi, get fixed. Yeah, man, say something. Or something. And get fixed and take a woman and walk with Javi. Ready? Ready? And action.
Doctor, I'm not going to stand here and make a disrespect the woman I love. One day I see myself that I will marry her. So